I was a who watches the watchman. At this moment, Avraham Ben Moshe, ABS President Kevin Taylor, big time concerning the issue of Williams Anarfi, Dr. Wask. I was social media in also. Other Kevin Taylor, Abbey General Dr. Wask, a consul. Kevin Taylor said, "Unia a fraudster, or call doctor school bias, or be with our school. On fan set, emetre, but Kevin Taylor doesn't find set in Trader. Unia, on fan set in Trader, but also being fan set, emetre. Emma is a positive video or positive Unia picture set. And if you see Muhammad Dini edits camera amount for Emma pictures be opposite question. Everything say pictures gonna come tell a posting now. I will claim say a pictures no. Say guy need to pictures Nicola with Dubai. I posted somewhere in 2016 now. I'm a Avraham Ben Moshe. I'll be exposing Kevin Taylor. Big time. I Penyah block media. Message any demo. Over like a video no other over subscribe button. So now back like a notification and connect latest updates. Now back share Jandam me e comment. Let's so baso. Over share video mo so enya bi ahwe. It is often Kevin Taylor here. There is this particular guy, friend Williams Anarfi, as or a doctor. But Kevin Taylor is a guy, no doctor, no a fraudster. None of the say or impersonating other people just to dupe others. Or it's me, but okay, me father name Muhammad. Now, if you or the Muhammad doing a sign contract. He said, me nas moka kwa me huni about things say a impersonation and a fraudster. Anna Kevin Taylor or come once. From time to time, be added. Or the NFP picture between shows so. It did not tell me how to can do a pay.
Now, Enra make some way, and I'm going to speak on it again. This guy, he did at the Williams Anarfi Sapon, Makachre, the NDC government. This boy is a fraudster. Let's see. Baby or say, obetumi akoko to be obetumi akobia to prove say, the American me buano uncle, I am ready to meet him. Even in Ghana, I will come. Sa boy way. Opese odi John Mahamadin ekoye gold deal. Williams Anarfi Sapon. I'll make sure say the Dubai police they'll pick him up. Yeah, police in Dubai, at least they share intelligence with Ghanaian security agencies. They'll pick him up. Sabo and your friend Williams Anarfi Sapon. He's a criminal. He's involved in a gold dealer or the John Dramani Mahamadin. As I speak to you, some pictures we are now on the social media platform with delete or boah. Me say, so say or a doctor, or say or a doctor, Mate. The certification way, he's not a doctor, he's a liar. The Ghana Police Service, they need to arrest him. I am warning his mother to shut up and stay at home. Shut up and keep quiet. I am warning his friends. Shut up and be in your hole. Because Saboni boy wait, you know, he wanted to use John Muhammad's name. I catch them say Adiana or John Muhammad deal person or it would have destroyed NDC government. So I'll say or a legitimate doctor. Matisse we see hospital. That's our hospital now we see no. Your friend is Spintex Hospital. It is not a legitimate hospital. Me catch them. Now this guy. Let me put this picture up. Me, I'm not done. Sir Abrantiwe, he's not even 40 years. He's a fraudster. Only any certification just or a legitimate doctor, uncle any medical school. Baby no only certification in Chile Ghana for say I am a real doctor. He's involved in gold fraud. He wants to use gold board to go do that fraud. Sami Jenfi should be alert. Because the letterheads they are printing, no, they are printing say Omni Gold Board of Ghana are doing some gold deal. Sami Jenfi should be very alert because this boy is using their letterhead to go commit crime in Dubai. TA. Sami Jenfi and the PMMC should be on red alert. This boy, his name is Williams Anarfi Sapon. The Ghana Police Service, the Yoko, the NIB, they should pick him up. Or see or get gold deal in his transaction and communication with the people in Dubai, no, or see already or representing gold board in Ghana. Gold board because I be putting it together. The gold board in Ghana, Omunyan started Juma. Now, or see our hospital be what Spintex, the free hospital, no, a Spintex clinic. It's a lie, it's not a hospital. He should come out and show us his certification or the BSI hospital, no. They say this boy, Williams Anarfi Sapon, he should come out. Sa clinic now was with Bureau of Spintex, no. On a certification, or certification to practice. He's using a doctor's certificate to practice or to operate that thing or for the clinic, no. Now, Sanipana or Jane license, no, no. I am giving you 24 hours. Release a statement and disassociate yourself from this guy. I'm not going to say this again. Nipana or what a sa license na or the amada this guy. Sa fake clinic, no. I am giving you 24 hours. Release a statement and disassociate yourself from this guy. Because even the money he said he was going to give to you, he didn't give to you. Now, Saadiana or Freno, Spintex clinic, no, they don't do any serious medical medical services a massage no because Nipana or the license start here, no, there is a problem. Nipana sema mani use license, no. Into that thing is not a clinic, it's a massage place. And now waka chire inkofo internationally say, or no, or a doctor, he is not. I'm giving him 24 hours. He should publish his certification and license. Any person who has dealt with this guy on business grounds, on any professional grounds, should start pulling out. A person or the John Dramani Mahamadin, Ekodi Grono. In the days to come, I am going to list all his friends, their names, and the people they are benefiting from his fraud. They say, I am giving him all the room to go to court. So I'll say the American bois. Court to be a way we are saying. In fact, if he wants to come here, I am ready to go to court with him. Said the American, he has the right to go to court, and I am willing to come to court. Nobody should entertain Williams Anarfi Sapon. He's a fraudster, he's a quack doctor. In fact, he is not even a doctor. He does not have any license to practice a friend, Dr. Ejuma, or call any medical school. This is him. He needs to be arrested. He needs to be arrested. The man in 24 hours. One, Nipana ordained a license, ABSR clinic, no. That clinic should be shut down in 24 hours. And yes, will be a better. Won't hear me. Whoever is working at that massage place, or registered say clinic, no. In the next 24 hours, let this guy provide his license. And I'm telling the person he's using his license to do these things. Pull your license in the next 24 hours and release a statement that you have no association with this guy.
Anything as factual man as Kevin Taylor, at least. And can for do be a unia a backfire, I will be a public view and answer betimbe imo will be a movie. And anka for be a legit guy. Anka Anarfi ebun and bakrabe kasa. As a unia tremedy. But ebia samai, debia de adekodia bakona, not in the picture, but one would dinner tema horono. And yet, you are just pointing the person's image, keke. This is not fact. We know any picture. It is just a show me. Number Kevin to the picture, but Tom and China. Number you can't and some fun and what doesn't mean a crap just because within the picture Tom and China. There be. And only I'm just tarnishing his image. But I'm unfortunately Kevin Taylor speaks with fact, and I don't know the kind of fact he speaks with. You know what Rebecca said. Ekufado edikun Ekufado ni MPB for area good eko me wada good na a Bank of Ghana and a transfer good. Look at this. So what is the fact in this? But in Toronto ya uchweya yes only obi ama ntian ye. Ana Avraham Ben Moshe abes gozi masanya abotre. Ana if yasma wo Canada. Pictures na we posted this year say what this camera man phone. Enya ho asem. Otwa picture no Dubai 2019 posted those pictures.
What he does. Boy we also court. Messia will court. Now, a lawyer and a crime want a scandal. So, our lawyer and have a scandal.
Also, be a crown for obedient logic. Mr. Kevin Taylor. Wait, Jimmy, Kevin Taylor do be diabrosa. Kevin Taylor. Only me answer. Dede can away. Kevin Taylor see a branch and your crown for. Ne party the power for 1 month. What going to mention a branch here? But a branch and see who Kevin Taylor. Tio, Osi abrante ne yekromfo. Wo party na wo power. Osi obeskame wo man no. Onam wo free, police kule invite no. Onu abrante ne si wu kadintela. I don't understand. Afei, we see wu no. O say ne doc in the lawyer no. O lawyer ne scandal. E did that say, wo no obi de ba wo so na wonya ne kadintela. Wonya ni papa. Ah? Wa buy na wo power. They said me wo lie ni. Eya me and me wo power sisi a. 2 minutes kura. Me pa me jao, me pa me block. Wa wo pen jimi na hwese man block wa. That is power. Eti Kevin Taylor. Abranche na nam ho, okwa adwuma, or ye ni programs, or ko na waba ye nchi no. And abranche na kosi. Pacho, am I making sense? Let me say, until say, you bet she abranche we, ni akaso ye kromfo no. You can tell me he is a thief. Also, my delete article. Yeah, you actually. Dry news delete article. Yeah, you actually. So, dry news delete article. Why not catch up? A branchiano, Kevin Taylor started so good anymore. Only come for and not the man dry news and dry news. Any dear Kevin Taylor said me the whole idea no any me business I brought for and I'm a do mobile some wait Sammy Jenfi minimum no money number strike deal. Sabe ye me gold souk no ye me bi wo Ghana ha na o man Ghana ye benefit from your gold and then gold na better na Ghana no e ha mo na me pa chawo gold na ye Ghana gold na te say na na kwan be di akwa dwene ne bi abrofo ne ba abe partner Ghana na ye gold that na ha Ghana betumi make up to $10 billion every year. Only Sika Dubai make it a gold souk. Dubai or to gold. Adna young young person be a innovative, young person be wagging, no person the money man. Crown Tinamo person of brave young guy. Huh? Abranta never saw baby to Ghana gold to Yako. Huh? Abranta no Galam say. Wabaso be 2 Ghana gold wakwana. Bishop you want to buy. Say gold souk yedien. Ja brofuna Arab fune ni munyansa. No mun 2 gold ba akokra na mum omo atumi a whole shopping mall for gold ornament any gold. Enti mumbra men mamon fam kwa South Africa. Na mon fam bra Ghana no. Ne boni awaye ni. Montie be tra madie bi.
Oh yeah, now me want the scandal, me be good in law firm na man. Okay? This is the boy. When we are there. Ka we nyane dia wo. Aha, you see it? So what he does then say, he will go. Na omodo omo hye esikafo. Then they go to their homes. They take pictures. Oh. What then stick akọ tarika no ho. And na wakotena ho and also muntwame. Or we also Dr. Wask a sticker. He doesn't have this car. He doesn't even own a house. This deal no ending a bigger deal.
I say Kevin Taylor. I say guy ne konkrofo fia. Na wa kwatwa picture. The real picture ni. The real picture ni. Abusan pa chaw. O twa picture no wen. Mon comment. Eye 2019 and o twa picture no. O twa picture no wen. Anya Ghana sikani bi no ko ni fie. Obi se na kwa medical. Amanfo nim no. Young je on peka sample. Maybe some won't comment here. Oh, your picture no one here. Hey, Dubai. 2019. Another picture here. Oh, any Shakana number. Kevin Taylor. Men yes sir. Why? Never chow. But yes sir. Me jai card number. But I saw some Shakana number. And you know and you. Oh, men yes sir. Kevin. Men yes sir. Why? Kevin. Men yes sir. Why? Hey, Dubai. Why? That one in the city. Why? Men yes sir. Why? Men yes sir. Kevin Taylor. Why? Enye nkrofo fie. Why? Why? Men nyesa. After NDC ni bi say a Photoshop. Say a Photoshop there and your picture na Kevin Taylor post to you know. A Photoshop and a one quiet research and the other two. And I yes, and I Kevin Taylor the enemy. Take Kevin Taylor the Photoshop no post to you na. Nyano kwafo. Wow. Yes, why? Why? 2019. Why? Now you another one. Why? The entire Kevin Taylor and Kano Creno. Bakunsuni. Why? Kevin Taylor, man, yes, sir. Why? Bakunsuni. Obeka send you. Why? Kevin, man, yes, sir. Why? I see this MPP for now. A smart guy, no. Make sure say, about what we ask. Bakunsuni.
Of course, he got 40. Now, sorry, this boy, he does not go out. You will never see him out. Or sorry, I'll shut them. So, nya obino obuna, now address your Pia Bontene. Every 24/7 or shut them and not take computer who know frauding for. Ain't he on to be living that life, you know, because what can't to comfort him say, or use Rolls Royce, or what that, or sorry, into the end say, this boy, he does not go out. You will never see him out. Or sorry, I'll shut them. So, nya obino obuna, now address your Pia Bontene.
Kevin Taylor, what dreams are papa? Hey, Kevin, my catch will say, Ube Chamtra, sa. What kind of crap? Kevin Taylor say, Dr. Waskano, Pia Bontin, Obienti, Pia Bontin. Now, Onya will be Buna, now we pee. Cromford in Pio, Nemo, Oria will be an opie, the pacho. Cromford pie. Na Oriam Crofwa, now what dodgy, and I'm a what? Well, Cromford, why you Cromford? But Oshadam, or Bokro, don't know what damn we are. Now we're pie. Would you, Kevin, can you tell her? Maybe I'm in person. How? Usa, can you tell her? May say about the logical reasoning.
This boy, he does not go out. You will never see him out. Or sorry, I'll shut them. So nya obino obuna, now address your Pia Bontene. Every 24/7 or shut them and not take computer who know frauding for. Ain't he on to be living that life, you know, because what can't to comfort him say, or use Rolls Royce, or what dying say, wake away a Usman, Dr. Usman, the dying, but much show a picture of this guy and Usman.
Obeso just a car. A Dr. Usman Fie and a guy in the picture. Oboa, a Dubai, a dining. Why? And yet Dr. Usman dear Fie, a dining is here on Pachen. Moamunim Dubai, Pacho, a dining is here, a dining. Kevin Taylor. Kevin, won't you enlightenment message me? Why? This is a Kevin Taylor series. Every day, we Kevin Taylor. So enlightenment, the best seminars. A dining is here, one. Pacho, Dr. Usman Fie. Dr. Usman Fie. And Dubai. Yes, sir. What it? What be by young boy, young entrepreneur, or born a black way, or born a black, come. We go branch who fees, sir. I'm a crofo free hospital or threaten workers. Your video, I'm question hospital, no. The same thing or the adonko, and the megu adonko, and the megu adonko, and never get you adonko, Jan and I so. I don't know, yes, sir. Get it. I don't know, you bring this, sir. Afei, last one. Kevin Taylor say.
Avraham Ben Moshe, in fact, I'll be marking Kevin Taylor, or matching boot for boot, and will be exposing a very big time. Amount for internet Jesus, amount for journalist Jesus. Obi so be exposing. Say I trust or NODN program. Tell what your mama, comment section. Hi, Penyah Block Media. Background.